Okay, I got the crown out. I guess I just had to press on this harder in position 0 and the crown came out. So cool. Alright, so now we have the crown out. This crown is bent, which is kind of interesting. It's not straight. Is that going to affect anything, I wonder? Probably not. Threads look okay. It's got a little gasket on it. This all looks fine to me. Alright, well, let's pull... how the heck am I going to do this? Well, here's the thing. The second hand is already bent up, and it arrived that way, so I don't know. I guess I'm just going to put it on the pillow. Oh, look at that. The bezel ratcheting ring is broken in half. Cool. Okay, so here's the case. By the way, the this watch, the bracelet and the case are in pretty darn good condition, actually, all things considered. So maybe somebody would want these things at least. But I left this watch in the on the windowsill for a week and it just won't run. The loom on these are actually pretty good, all things considered. So yeah, they're pretty darn good. I think they're kind of collectible. People like them. I think if this was in better working condition, it'd be worth about 200 maybe. But this one is in bad condition, very bad. So looks like it's got fingerprints on it. So it says, well, let's take a look. Citizen watch code, no jewel. It's got a push. Why would I push that when I got the crown out via the lever, though? That's weird. Uses a 7875A, and then it's got a bunch of electrical contacts on the edge there. It's got a big old coil, and then I guess I'd get the capacitor out right here, but I don't think that's going to come out easily. I imagine I have to take this screw out here, which looks like there's also some tabs that are holding the watch face. Yeah, so I imagine that if I had the cans off and I removed all these tabs, the watch face would come off. Interesting. So does this whole plate come off with a single screw? I only really see the one screw on here. Interesting. Well, considering the condition that this is in, with the chapter ring moving freely inside the watch, the broken bezel ratchet ring, and the destroyed or bent out of shape, I should say, seconds hand, and the fact that this won't charge, I don't really know if this is a watch I'd put any money into. I think I'd just sell it on eBay for parts maybe. But yeah, pretty cool. As you can see, there's no way to open this from the back. So it's collectible. People like these, but not when they're in this condition. So I think some things are salvageable. I think some people actually will buy this just for the extra links. Because people need those. So there's like 3 of them on this, so not too shabby. Anyways, I figured I'd share. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and if I ever get one of these that isn't already broken, I will be happy. So anyways, take it easy, everyone. Hey there, everybody. So today I want to talk about this Citizen dive watch that's very interesting. This watch, I forget what the terminology is, I'll put it in the description, but basically the case of this watch, it doesn't come apart in the back. As you can see, there's no way to take the case off. You disassemble it through the front, and this is a 200-meter water resistance dive watch made out of titanium. Keep in mind, this is not EcoDrive, it is SolarTech. I'm guessing this was the precursor to the EcoDrive movements that we know and love today, I think. But this watch has a couple of issues. For one, the chapter ring inside is moving with the bezel, which that's not supposed to happen. Also, the bezel just doesn't feel right. So I'm going to... I bought this watch in this condition, and I'm going to actually take this one apart. I've never taken one of these apart before. It looks like somebody's already tried to take it apart based off of the markings here. So I'm going to, it still has the crystal. I'm going to pop the bezel off and just take a look and see what I can find. So I think this is, yeah, how you do that. So that came out pretty simple. So what we have here is a bezel. It's got the retaining ring in it that keeps it on the watch. It's got spring tension. The teeth look pretty good. The bezel itself actually doesn't look too shabby. Very light titanium. Okay. So we now have the watch face itself, and that just comes right off. I don't know if that's normal. Is that normal? I have no idea. But that is the crystal and the chapter ring combined. I'd imagine there might be something missing there. I don't know. Okay, so here's the watch. Here's the watch face. This is a screw down crown. It looks like I should be able to remove it. There's a lever right here, which I wonder how that gets removed. Let's find out. I'm just gonna... Oh wow, okay. How am I gonna do this? I think I need both my hands, maybe. Am I doing this right? I don't actually know how to remove this. Let's see. Pull it out. Okay, I'm in time setting mode. Now I wonder if I push down on that, if it'll come out now. No. That's gotta be how you remove that. Has to be. Doesn't seem to want to. Surely that's how that comes out, right? Maybe I have to bend it down? Alright, I'm gonna mess around with this and start the camera if I get it off again.